Oh no, I'm scared. I thought I was late. Ha ha ha. Time to do my homework actually. This is a bit boring. Hey look, there's a parkour course over there. I need to find a way to get home. There it is. Bye bye. I'll just wait for the English teacher to show up. Why aren't they here yet? Stop making noises. I'm coming. I'm coming. Ha ha ha. Teacher, I need to use the bathroom. Go ahead, go. Make sure you come right back, okay? Ah, I saw you escaping. Ah, I escaped every single time. This might be another escape attempt. How do you know that? How do I know? Because I know you're always looking for a way out. Ha ha ha. I was wrong, wasn't I? Choo choo. Choo choo. Everyone is walking so fast. They didn't fall down, so why did you fall down? System notification. Now listen to him. I'll give you 99 chances to drop your backpack. Thank you, system. You're welcome. I'll give you 2 extra chicken legs today. Okay, the theme this time is like a flower. This time, I'm also looking for an ID. An ID? I'll put it out right now. It's right there in the corner. Hey, where's the teacher? Where'd he go? Forget it, don't worry about him. He's actually in here. It's so funny. He's completely ignoring the parkour. Hey, Choo-Choo, where are you? I'm walking. Wait, I'm still riding my bike. I'm still on my bike. The bike doesn't get tired. Don't fall off. What is this character? I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared I feel like an orphan. Ha ha ha. That scared me to death. I better turn around. Ah, why didn't you tell me about this oil? Final lines translation. The last 2 lines are the slogan for a popular Chinese short video platform.
Chinese 快手拥抱每一种生活 English 快手 embrace every lifestyle.
Note, if you're using this for a video script, the part where you say scared that I don't have a mom and dad is a common dramatic exaggeration in gaming videos, meaning I feel totally alone / helpless. But in English, it's usually translated as I'm so scared I'm all alone to sound more natural.
लिख रही ना सवाल लिख रही ना हम ये करे सवाल लिखते जैसे जवाब देगा तेरा यूएससी ब्याह है उनका ब्याह है
मैं हूं तो 20000 हो गया ये तो हमें थोड़ी सी रिलैक्सेशन मिली है और वो भी मेंटोर भी सवाल बना रही थी बस ये बोला मैं मेंटोर साथ में मेरे रूल बाकी बच्चे सारे प्रोग्राम करने में आप लिख सकते हैं मैं तो को मैं भी हां ना सकता